Hi traders, Anthony here. Okay, we've got this Luna trade going. Just using the paper account here in TradingView to demonstrate how this works pretty much. So we've got one position open here, short. The strategy is to enter on this where we see a break and retest of the range, break and fail. Okay, so we've got the breakout, kind of jumped in a little bit early, but I don't mind the setup. Now, the thing with this is we're looking to take 70, 80% off the table fairly early. See down the bottom here, I've got the ATR. You can see that in this bottom right corner, 090. So if we just grab the ruler from the entry and go down 09, 01. Okay, so 1 times the ATR is fairly shallow target, about or less than that actually. So you want to make sure that what you close here is going to cover your broker fees. You can be trading any of the exchanges like Binance or whatever you're trading on the other on another screen. Right, so these signals are firing over here. What I'll do, I'll just throw this in so that it tells me when it trades down there. And then I want to show you something. We'll just we'll do that. Actually, what I'll do is make a bit of a sound alarm clock. We'll go with the alarm. So create that. If we go back, let me just close this. Let me just show you how successful this is. Okay, let's take that. All right. The idea is we get the signal and we look for ideally a retest into the mean here and fail, and then we take it. There's the signal and we're looking for the retest and fail, and we take the trade. Mind you, we've also got these other signals trading as well. Short, short, long. There's the signal. It's telling us we've had a breakout. We're looking for the retest and fail. I would have taken that, and my stop loss is always going to go above the cloud here. Second row, there's 2 rows of dots. So stop loss above gets you out of the way, and then this rolls over here, and we get the trade. Let's see. And then once you're starting to make a bit of ground, you're going to pull your stop loss down, and you're going to trail these dots here, pretty much. Right, that would have taken you out here nicely in profit. We can go back however many of these you want to go back, and I can tell you now, you're going to have a pretty high win rate. Look at that one. Okay, I prefer the breakout signals. It gives you time to come in, and it's the break of this level. It's not the first break. Like we've got this trading range kind of here. It's further up, and there's generally more conviction once you get this second break. So this is the pullback here, retest and fail, and there's your trade. Actually, it's time for me to, and I mean, honestly, some of these are better than others, but there's the entry, and there's your TP1 80%. I can go back. I can guarantee you, we should get a 90% win rate out of this. I mean, just look at them. You can see it. I've spent years trading and developing my strategy. And by the way, it gets you in early on these trends. There's your signal, retest, and I mean, how many of these would you not take? Honestly, We can go back 10. We'll probably get about 100% win rate with this. And there's the breakout. Look at that. So, I mean, I'm going to invite you to click on the link below the video and check out my YouTube channel. I'm doing a ton of videos on my strategy. All right, so what we do here, we take 80%, and I'll show you this. Okay, so I'll just go 80 here. What have I done? 1,800 of 1,000. Let's partial close. So what I do once I've taken 80% is I'll come into the account history. See down here, there's $72 in dollar value closed. Well, what we do is we grab the stop loss and we, okay, $104 if that gets taken out. So if I pull the stop loss down to, there you go, 66, right? So 72 less 66 is the money, you know, is the that's how much in the money we are. If this stop loss gets taken out, what I'm going to do then is I'm going to, let's close that, wait for this to gain a bit more traction. By the way, that's a daily level of support right here. We've got these on our chart. Show you the other thing we've got on here, by the way. But yeah, and I mean, you can follow, see these dots on the inside here. All right, so if we pull that down, we can trail this now by following these dots. All right, so I'm 72 in the money. And if that gets taken out, the stop loss, $28. So you can see how powerful this is. And, you know, we just follow these dots here. Okay, when another one forms, I'll pull the stop loss down and just hug these inner dots. All right, so if that was your trade here, then you just hug these dots on the inside here and trail your stop loss. Now I can pull that down a little further. Just stay slightly above the dot, and that's it. Just let the stop loss get taken out wherever it gets taken out. See, we're just trailing that now. Right, when the dots form, we just pull it down. So, you know, you can have a whole bunch of these open. We're just getting so many signals, and you can manage it by going into your open positions and pull that up, and then just watch all of these. So when they go into profit, just come in here and then pull your stop loss down and just manage it all through here. What else can I show you? All right, so here we go. Look, now, you know, why not pull your stop loss down in front of, or, you know, ahead of your entry. And we've got a daily level, so it might retrace here. The other thing we've got with this is this indicator. Let me show you something. Let me just bring that on. Forex sessions. That's not what I wanted. Hang on. I've lost my other indicator, guys. All right, let me just grab this. It's the trend bars. What have I done? I've deleted my trend bars. See this? All right, we have these shaded zones. This is accumulation and distribution levels from historically, and they overlap, and the lighter the color, the heavier the resistance or support. So when you see a signal and like you've got a heavier shade up here, well, that's resistance, and you can see it through here, right? So it accumulates all of this and gives us the shaded level. Under here, we've got it's thin. So this is thin liquidity, except for this little section here around where this daily is. And then the next level is down here. Have a look back. There it is. And further back, there it is there. Right? It pulls these levels historically. So we can map out. So if I wanted to go for a profit level here, you could pull it up just above this light shaded thing, this zone. That could be it. Now we're going to pull the stop loss down and trail it. And we are absolutely in the money. What else? I mean, yeah, there's a lot. But guys, jump on board. Click the link below the video. in the description. Check me out. I'm on YouTube, and this is a very profitable strategy, as you can see. With that, have a great day. Safe trading. Look at all these signals coming in. See you in the next one.